Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to do the unboxing of the Luggie Golden Elite, and this is made by FreeRider. Now, FreeRider has several folding mobility scooters in their Luggie series. The Golden Elite is a really popular one, actually throughout the world. FreeRider brand is a Taiwanese company. They distribute worldwide, really popular in Europe, Middle East, and this is one of the most popular scooters that they carry. It does support 320 pounds of weight. There are two battery options. One is a 10.5 lithium ion battery, which is airline approved. That battery can last you up to 15 miles on a single charge. There's also a 16.5 lithium ion battery. That one is not airline approved, but it gets you an impressive 22-mile range. The scooter weighs around 50 pounds. It has a really unique way of folding, and one of the really special things about it is all of the Luggies from FreeRider within their Luggie series, there's about 10 of them. We do offer a 7-day free trial for these scooters, and the way it works is you purchase the scooter like you normally would, and then once you receive it, you have 7 days to try the scooter, but it has to be indoors. So keep all of the packaging, and that's to make sure it fits you properly. And then if for some reason you don't feel comfortable in it, just give us a call within 7 days. We'll send you a prepaid return label, and then you just send it back to FreeRider, and once it's been received and it's inspected, it's in good condition, you'll receive a full refund. So really it's a risk-free way of trying this out. You just have to purchase it at first. But we're so confident in the product that we're certain that you're probably going to keep the scooter. But let's get into it, and I'll show you how to unbox this. So one thing you'll notice is there's a lot of these staples. Sometimes you'll see like tape on these, but I'm just going to pull these up. And because it's a folding mobility scooter, there's really not much assembly required. Here's a packing slip. Just has what's included in the package. Now we've got I believe this is probably the charger. Yeah, so this is the charger. Here's your actual lithium battery. It weighs about 5 pounds. I'll set that to the side as well. And as far as pulling it out, I mean, there's a couple ways you could do it. I would probably say if you put it on its side like this, where these smaller wheels are closer to the ground, then you can just sort of pull it right out. Just like that. Here's your manual. And I'm going to keep this packaging to the side, and now it's just a matter of taking off all of this protective cover here. So protects the tiller. Now the Luggie Elite does come standard with armrest, which is great. A few of them do not come with armrest, so that's an upgraded cost, but it comes standard on this one. Here are the armrests. All right, so now we got everything unpackaged. Here's your armrests. These are the knobs where you secure the armrest into place. All right, so the way you unfold this is you're gonna pull this pin. Now the pin doesn't actually come out, it just releases the scooter so it actually unfolds. So if I pull that out, now it's folded, it's halfway unfolded. There's also a red lever here. It's like a red button that I pull, and this will allow you to lift the seat up. So now you'll notice if I try to lift it, it still is going to possibly fold, but you have to secure the floorboard into place. So before I actually do that, I want to put my foot on here. And if I press this red lever, it'll lift it up. There's 2 seat heights, so that's the lowest height. And if you're taller, you can go up 1 more notch. Now here's the tiller. It is actually secured by this clamp when you're traveling. So when I loosen this clamp, and then the tiller is adjustable in angle. So use this little hydraulic lever. I'm gonna pull it out. And then when I let go of it, it's gonna be secured into place. It's also telescoping. So I can loosen this clamp and I'll extend it all the way up and I'll just lock that into place. Now this clamp down here, I'm just gonna secure it back into place just like that. And these will allow you to actually secure it so that it doesn't fold like I just showed you when I was trying to pull the seat up. So I'm just pulling this up and you'll see that this little piece comes around this bolt and then you just lock it right into place. So get the battery put in, and as you can see, it's pretty easy. So really not hard to take it out of the box, but I just want to show you what to expect. So you'll notice on the battery, there's some little connectors here that line up on these teeth, just like that. Put the armrest on. Here's your bolt. You're going to secure it. You're actually going to secure it from the bottom. So I'm going to set it. Let's just move it all the way, pretty far out. And I'm moving it far out because, believe it or not, the scooter can support 320 pounds of weight. I think the only downside about that is it has a 16-inch wide seat. So that's why I'm making the armrest stick out a little further, because a 16-inch wide seat, if you're around that weight, it's going to be kind of snug. But if you're able to adjust the armrest out, it's going to give you more of that seating area, so you'll be more comfortable. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email. So then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. So I actually didn't secure the battery correctly. You'll see this tab here. So when I put this in, I line those teeth up. Actually, I'm going to put it in like this. So the battery is going to hit this piece here. And then I'm going to pull back this tab. And now it's secured into place. So just want to show you, on the actual battery itself, it says, please charge the battery fully before using it for the first time. So I actually need to charge this. So the charging port is located right here. And there is a portable docking station that you can purchase where you can put the battery in. You can remove the battery from the scooter, put it in the portable docking station, and charge it inside your home. And you could just leave the scooter in your garage.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
All right, so now we were able to charge the battery, so it does work now. So I'm going to just close the charging port, and I want to go over a couple measurements. So I already did the seat measurement, but I'll just do it again real quick. 15 and a half, about 15 and a half, 16 inches in width, 15 in depth. Now, the floorboard to the top of the seat. Or I'm sorry, the top of the seat cushion, we're looking at about 17.5 inches. And then if I take it down to the shorter position, it's going to be about 15 inches. So increases the seat height about 2 inches with those 2 seat adjustments. Now as far as the controls, that's your power buttons, how you turn it on. You have your speed control, we're now fully charged. Here's your speed control dial. So if I turn it all the way to the, in this direction, to the left, you're gonna get your top speed of 4 miles per hour when you accelerate. And then on the other side, there's a red button. That is your horn. So it is an ambidextrous tiller. You have to use your fingers, index fingers to accelerate. It could be your middle fingers. Sometimes they're down, that's down here. But you can see I can accelerate forward or backward with just one hand. It also has this Omni suspension here on the front, so it absorbs some bumps, but it also absorbs bumps when you're going over sort of like uneven bumps. So say for example, it's a bump that hits this tire, you're gonna feel less impact as opposed to hitting this one but not this one. So just helps make the make it a little more smooth when you're going over different types of bumps on your track. So I'm gonna fold it just so you can kind of see how this folds. Very first thing I'm gonna do is actually fold the tiller down. So remember, it's a telescoping tiller. I can telescope this down to the lowest position and then lock that into place. And then I'm gonna use this hydraulic lever that's on this side, lift it up, and I'm going to make sure I set it right in here. And now I can lock this into place. So this will make sure that this stays stationary and it's not going to move around. At this point, I can fold the seat back down, press this lever to lower the seat all the way down. I would probably remove the armrest, but you don't have to. Now you can kind of wheel it behind you if you wanted to. So this is one way of folding it. So this might be like a quick way to fold it. You can lift it up, put it on the trunk, or on the edge of the trunk of your vehicle, and then you can lift it from the back and it distributes the weight. So you can put it in that way, or the other way to fold it, you're gonna look for this pin. Actually, I messed that up. So actually I messed it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift the seat back up, and I want to loosen these. This secures the floorboard. So I'm pulling this up, and now this will fold. So now I'll put the seat back down. Now you have it folded this way as well. And what you can do from here is I can extend the tiller up. Oh, I messed up. So there's actually two telescoping portions, right? Yeah. So it telescopes from here, and then there's another one. There's a second one. So now that I've done that, I can wheel this behind me. So I'm gonna unfold it one more time. I wanna show you one other little thing I just learned. So remember, to unfold it, you have to pull this pin. Actually, the first thing I'm gonna do, and forgive me, I need to telescope this back in. So let's telescope it back in. And now we have it locked into place. So now I'm gonna unfold this by pulling this pin out. Press this red lever here to raise the seat. I'm gonna unlock this pin that secures the tiller. Use the hydraulic lever to lift it up. I'm gonna telescope this up with the first one, and now here's the second one, and I can extend it up even further. So put the seat back up, and you can notice that it's still kind of moving. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna hook this on this bolt here, and then just lock it into place. So that way, now it's not gonna move, like the floorboard's gonna stay in place. So I show that to you because now you can see it's taller, right? I also learned this too, the handlebars, they seem very narrow to come in, but you can actually pull them out and lock them into place. So now this is now definitely more manageable for someone at my height. I personally feel like it's probably a little small for me, even though the tiller is at the right height. It just seems kind of crunched for me. I mean, I can stick my feet out here, but then I have these wheels in the way. But I would say if you're probably 6 foot or shorter, this might work for you. But this is the Luggie Golden Elite, real popular folding mobility scooter. And we like working with FreeRider a lot. They have really good support. They've been in business for, I think it's around over 30 years at this point. So they've been in the industry for a long time. They distribute worldwide. And if you have any questions about it or any questions about this 7-day free trial, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.